How to fix DoorDash app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app. For that, open your App Store. Now search for the app DoorDash. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. Now heading towards next solution, open your settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of general. Open the option iPhone storage. In this page, you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Now scroll down, head towards the app DoorDash. Once you find it, open it. Now you have to clear the cache for this app, so click on this option of Offload app. Click on Offload app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on your DoorDash app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. After you delete this app, open your App Store. Search for the app DoorDash. After app appears, install it. With that, your problem will be fixed. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily fix DoorDash app not working on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.